Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fix Fiat 500 door handle. Start by parking safely and disconnecting the battery to prevent electrical issues, then remove the inner door panel carefully. Use a trim pry tool to release clips and keep them organized in order. Inspect the handle mechanism, cable, and clips for wear and replace any damaged parts. Reassemble by testing the latch and adjusting alignment until the handle operates smoothly. Begin by lowering the glass slightly to access hidden screws, then remove visible screws near the armrest and door edge, keeping them organized in a tray. Carefully pry the panel outward from the bottom to release plastic clips, working your way around to prevent breakage. Once loose, lift the panel up to free it from the window channel, then disconnect electrical connectors and set the panel aside on a clean surface to avoid scratches. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car repair videos for you. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It adds music and voice control to your garage so you can keep both hands on the job. Check the description for the link and deals, and thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. With the panel off, operate the handle to watch the linkage and cable movement, identifying the faulty component clearly. If a clip is broken, remove it and install a replacement clip to secure the cable end, or swap the entire cable assembly if frayed or stretched. Reconnect the handle and test repeatedly, adjusting cable tension or handle alignment until the latch engages smoothly and consistently before reassembling the door panel.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.